Okay, boys and girls, welcome back from break. Quickly pack away your things. Let me see the hands of those who have not finished their language arts. Okay, everybody had finished. Excellent, very good. So you now pack your books in your groups for marking. Now, let's get back. Should I sing? Boys, you love singing because you want to play drum. All right, boys, you can play the drum. Let me sing. Tidy up the classroom as we get ready for lesson. Bits of papers, line on the ground, line on the ground. They make the place untidy, they make the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Bits of papers, line on the ground, line on the ground. They make the place untidy, they make the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Okay, so last week we talked about fractions. And yesterday we looked at what? Dividing fractions. And I know that some of you just love it because when you do the KFC, anybody remember what KFC stands for? The K is for keep, and the F is for flip, and the C is for change. Excellent. Very good. Very good, boys and girls. Yes, Chase, you are correct. Thank you very much, Azari. And some of you did well on your math, and your parents must buy you KFC because you did very well. And today we are also going to look at fractions. This one we have also done already. Proper fractions. Now, we said that, how do we know a proper fraction? Yes, Nathaniel? Right? The top number is smaller and the bottom number is bigger. Right, so any proper fraction, boys and girls, remember that a fraction has two numbers and a line, and the line is called the fraction bars. Now, when we have a proper fraction, we say that the top number is smaller than the bottom number. So the top number is small and the bottom number is big. But look at this also. Remember also, boys and girls, that when we have our fraction, one number tells us how many pieces our whole is cut into, and one number tells us how many is shaded or how many we gave away. All right, Carl Newey, can you tell me, we have the fraction 2 over 3. Which number is going to tell us? Which number is going to tell us Okay, Carl Newby. So you are going to tell us now. So we have our whole right here. We have our shape. Now you are going to tell us, Newby, how many pieces I am to cut it in, and how many I'm going to be, how many I will have to shade. All right, and to cut it in what? How many pieces? 3 pieces. How do you know that, Mr. Newby? Okay, the denominator tells us how many pieces we are to cut it in. And how many pieces I am to shade? 2. What tells you that, Mr. Newby? How do you know that? The numerator tells you how many pieces you are to shade. So this fraction that you have here is actually this. 3 pieces, cuts in 3, and 2 is shaded. All right, so there we go. Okay, should I rub this? Yes, that was just a reminder. So we say that the proper fraction has the number at the top is small and the number at the bottom, it is big. Right, so this is a proper fraction. Good. So now I am going to put, and look here, boys and girls, remember last week what we did? We also add the fractions to, when we did it like this, remember we did this one and we said 2 and 1, put in your figures. Remember, this is just a reminder. 2 plus 1 gives us 3 over 4. And we also get back a proper fraction. Why do we know it's a proper fraction? Because the number at the top, it is smaller than the number at the bottom. Anybody remembers what we call the number at the top? Yes, Jelani? Very good. The numerator. And the number at the bottom, Chase, it is the denominator. Excellent. So you are going to try these for me. I will be putting some, should I rub this? All right, let me take it off and put it over on this side. Just a reminder. What did we have? 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4. And remember, when we are adding fractions, our denominators must be the same. And this is 3 over 4. Good. So those are just examples. Now what we are going to do now for our try these, you boys and girls, you are going to make proper fractions out of the numbers. I am going to put half fraction on the board. I'm going to put half fractions on the board, and you are going to make them into a proper fraction. So we go like this. No numerator, and we put the denominator. You are to put the numerator to make it a proper fraction. We have 5 here. This one we have a 3. This one I have a 7. This one I have a what? Big number, 12. And this one I have 20. And don't mind my line. You draw yours straight, because I don't have my hands, I don't have a ruler and my hands shaking. So you are going to turn these into improper fractions. Should I write try these so that you don't forget what you are doing? Let me write. Let me use a different marker. Use a different marker, and we write try these. Good. Very good. Have fun while you are doing it. No, Nathaniel, no, you're not going to get any KFC if you get this maths right, because this one, it's an old maths that we are redoing. When we are doing the new maths and you get all of them right, then you can get KFC. All right, you love KFC, you and your brother Nathaniel and Nathan? Yes.